guys, welcome. If you're new, welcome back to my channel. If you're a May baby, so this video is it's just a little cute little mini vlog of me my preparation of going to Puerto Rico and a little bit of inside of my sister's graduation. I am going to do my nails a little bit later tonight, so I will record that as well. And as for my lashes, I decided not to do individual lashes. I decided I'm just going to do a lash strip because I was overwhelmed with everything that was going on, and I just wanted everything to be perfect. And I just realized, you know what, because I can't stand for too long these days. I start having back pain and my ribs start hurting, so I just don't do that no more. But yeah, I am gonna get my nails done a little bit later. I don't have time for that. I'm trying to spend the last few days with my man. So yeah, let's get into this video. Period. I just found the hair that I can use for like bohemian braids, box braids. I'm gonna do next when I come back from my Puerto Rico trip. So I'm definitely gonna come invest in these. I'm glad, because I was wondering where these bitches be getting these stuff, and the ones I seen online are so fucking expensive. That's what I am at my beauty store right now. I need to get black braids, and I think this is it. It's like, what, $18 for it? Let me see. Okay guys, remember how I said I was gonna record my little bit kind of like vlog my sister's graduation? So this is the hair, yeah, and I'm keeping it in a ponytail. Ow. I'm keeping it in a ponytail because of the outfit I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this top right here, the black skirt. Let me see if I can show you guys. So I'm wearing with the black skirt, and
seeing evidence of that success is most rewarding. I now present the salutatorian of the class of 2024, Maria Gonzalez Garcia.
My little brother over here cheering for everybody. Ain't you?
Jemiah Armstead.
You're cheering for everybody, aren't you? Are we on the H's yet?
You've embraced change, you adapt to new realities. Stronger, and you're more prepared now for post-secondary world.
Cecilia Garcia. Ada Maurice Garcia Figueroa. Nevaeh Garner. Malia Gaston. Camille Golden. Wesley Gilbert. Jack.
There she is.
Jameer Hall. Dina Hashi.
There she is. There go my baby.
Habiba Hassan. Riley Hathorn. Ella Hawk.
With the authority vested in me by the New York State Board of Regents, the Commissioner of Education, the Syracuse City School District Board of Education, and the Superintendent of Schools, Mr. Anthony Q. Davis. I declare that this group of young scholars have met the requirements for the high school graduation. At this time, graduates, you may now move your tassels from right to left. You are now officially graduates of Corcoran High School. Congratulations. At this time, this concludes our ceremony. Graduates, you will recess out of the arena back to the gymnasium. Families, you can meet.
And he had us worried, like, what are you doing? I thought I lost you.
Okay, hair is actually really eating. Period.
I'm not talking to you. Okay, we met our matching diploma.
So guys, this is what the nails are giving. These are homemade, so don't be judging them, y'all. But these are so freaking cute. I got one hand done. I gotta do my other hand. I gotta cut them down and everything. I'm using my sister's nail bucket. That's like actual acrylic nail pieces. And I'm using this to dry my hands. I just like put it in like that, basically like this. Like that, and they just dry up, guys, like the nail salon. That's what I'm doing right now. Let's get into the period. I'll show you guys when I'm done with both hands, because this one needs to dry up a little bit more too. Drying the last bit of my nails, waiting for them to dry up. This is my other hand, and then I should be done. I'll finally go to sleep a little. As you guys seen, my sister graduated. Yes, my big girl is finally a graduate, and we're not gonna have another graduation until 2028 when she graduates from college. So because of that, it was really special for us, and I really had a good time with my family. Had some bonding moments with them. It was great. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that and also seeing me do my nails. And I am going to be vlogging me going to the airport and everything, so keep a lookout for that video. I'm just going to do little tiny mini vlogs throughout the diaspora, because I don't want to do it all one long video. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to Puerto Rico. Let me stop. But yeah, babies, turn on the post notification bell, because who want to see me? Who want to see more of me? Because I want to see more of you. Period. And I want you guys to go ahead and like, yes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be part of my beautiful babies.